Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that helps our body in many ways. These include turning the food we eat into energy and making sure the parathyroid glands, which produce hormones important for bone health, work normally. Good sources of magnesium can be found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach, nuts, brown rice, bread, especially whole grain, fish, meat, and dairy foods. You can make sure you get the right amount of magnesium in your diet through simple meals and side dishes like dal spinach and potato soup, spinach chicken pasta bake, and baked salmon with avocado and brown rice. Remember to ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice, as taking the right amount of minerals will help keep your body and immune system healthy.